Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up everyone? Nighthawk here. It's been 7 months since I bought this laptop and this is 7 months review of my Lenovo LOQ RTX 4050 with i5 13450HX processor. So this is not a first impression, this is a detailed long-term review based on gaming, daily use, thermals and performance. So if you guys are new to my video, you might not be knowing the specification of this laptop, and those who are old viewers know my laptop's specification. So let me just recap this thing again. So my laptop is Lenovo LOQ with i5 13450HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 4050 105 watt TGB. My RAM is 32 GB DDR5 and my storage is 1.5 TB. So I got this laptop with 16 GB RAM, and so I have upgraded my storage as well as RAM. I have installed 16 GB more RAM and 1 TB more SSD. Let's talk about the build quality of this laptop. After 7 months, there are no hinge issues, no keyboard flex, and no screen wobble. RGB keyboard still feels solid and premium. The design is clean, minimal, and works well for gaming as well as office use. So I have read comments of many users saying that their screen is bleeding or they are having screen bleeding issues and all. But in this laptop, I didn't face any issue like that, screen bleeding and all. Everything is working fine for me perfectly. Now let's talk about the gaming performance. I have tested many AAA titles like GTA 5 Enhanced, RDR2, Hogwarts Legacy, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Uncharted, Mafia, and many more games. As you can see, this is my playlist of gaming test on YouTube. So there are total 41 videos in this, and so you can check out. I have done reviews of many games, as you can see here in the list. So do check these out if you're planning to buy this laptop for gaming. So this will show you accurate performance, all the temperature, FPS, with all the MSI stats shown in the video. At 1080p high to ultra settings, most games run smoothly on this laptop. With DLSS settings, it works perfectly fine. Also, the support of frame generation helps a lot. I've also upgraded my RAM to 32 GB, which helps a lot in gaming and content creation. Now let's talk about the CPU performance and thermals. The i5 13450HX is a powerful CPU and does run hot. So out of the box, the temperatures can reach up to 90 or above sometimes, but after tuning, I kept it around 86 to 87 degrees with almost no performance loss. These temperatures are safe and expected for HX series CPUs. So I have also made a video on custom mode settings. So many users complained that their CPU temperature is going very high. So I have tested and made a video on custom mode settings. It shows the best custom mode settings you can apply and use your laptop while gaming or working. I've got a very good response on that video. So if you haven't checked that video out yet, I'll mention the video link also in the description. You can check out and use those settings in your custom mode and let me know the difference. Now let's talk about cooling and noise. The cooling system is decent and very good in this laptop. Fans are audible during gaming but not annoying. If you're using headphones, then there is no issue. You won't be hearing any fan noise. There are no sudden fan spikes, and I've also mentioned fan settings in the custom mode video, so you can check that out as well. Also, weekly vent cleaning helps maintain performance very well. Now let's talk about display and audio. The 144Hz display feels smoother and responsive. Colors are good for gaming. Brightness is fine for indoor use. Speakers are average, 2 watt speakers, downfiring one. Headphones are recommended for gaming. Also, it's having 100% sRGB, which is very good. It is also having brightness of 300 nits. Now let's talk about battery life. So this is a gaming laptop, or you can say high performance laptop. Light usage gives around 3 to 3.5 hours on quiet mode. Gaming should always be done while plugged in. to get the max performance from this laptop. Battery health has remained stable over 7 months. As you can see here, the battery health is looking good. Also, my charge cycles are just 44 in 7 months. Full capacity is 100%. Also, let me clear this doubt again. I always use conservation mode while recording videos or gaming or doing work. Every time I use this so that it preserves battery life, and it also preserves your charging cycle. So as you can see here, I have just completed 44 cycles only, and it's been over 7 months. Now let's talk about software and stability. The Lenovo Vantage app is very good, and the Lenovo Vantage is very useful as well for performance modes and thermal control. System stability has been good with no major crashes or issues. Also, from this system update settings in the Lenovo Vantage app, I've been getting updates weekly, and it automatically updates my laptop without any issue. So my suggestion is keep your laptop updated. Now let's talk about the final verdict. After 7 months, this laptop can be described in one word, and that is dominant. It handles every game smoothly, stays consistent, and delivers reliable performance. Recommended for gamers and creators who want strong 1080p performance. So this was my 7 months review. So if this review helped you, do hit a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and drop your questions in the comment section. I will reply to each and every one of you if you have any doubt. Till then, this is Nighthawk signing off. Goodbye.